Lost and alone, he still managed to fight his way through the gunfire and help liberate the town in which he landed, a town where a street now bears his name. You helped liberate Soviet Jews. As I've told some of you before, I grew up hearing stories about my great uncle, a soldier in the 89th Infantry Division, who was stunned and shaken by what he saw when he helped to liberate Ohrdruf, part of Buchenwald. We are especially honored to be joined today by advocates who dedicate their lives and at times risk their lives to liberate victims and help them recover. We know that America thrives when every person can find independence and pride in their work. When the wages of honest labor liberate families from the brink of hardship, cannot be overcome. When we've seen what changes the human spirit can bring. Who in this hall can argue that the future belongs to those who seek to repress that spirit rather than those who seek to liberate it? I know what side of history I want the United States of America to be on. We're ready to...
The glorious history of the Americans who came fight on French soil during the First World War, and then in June 1944 to liberate the European continent from Nazi oppression.
And as Stephen mentioned, my great uncle was a soldier in the 89th Infantry Division, helping to liberate Ohrdruf. What more powerful manifestation of America's commitment to human freedom than the sight of wave after wave after wave of young men boarding those boats to liberate people they had never met? We say it now as if it couldn't be any other way. And as we do, we're going to keep working to liberate you from those mountains of... We're the fresh-faced GIs who fought to liberate a continent.
We have plans to liberate Al-Anbar and Nineveh, and of course we need high-level coordination for this effort.
We helped liberate France from fascism because when I believe, as much as I believe in anything, that we liberate ourselves when we liberate others. The blue waters beneath Air Force One once carried American battleships to this island to liberate, but also to exert control over Cuba. There was Harry Kolkowitz, who returned to the beaches he helped liberate and told he could have anything he wanted, said with the humility of a soldier, "A hamburger will do just fine." It's why we're working with Iraq so that the military campaign to liberate Mosul is matched with humanitarian and political efforts to protect civilians and promote inclusive governance and development. So ISIL cannot return by exploiting divisions or new grievances.